The South African Police Service has opened an investigation of culpable homicide against Shebe Sheet. On the 9th of June 2024, Katlego Chauke, also known as Shebo Sheet, was traveling with his girlfriend and daughter when they were involved in a car accident with a stationary vehicle. This claimed the life of his 9-year-old daughter, Ontatile, leaving him injured and rumored to have one of his feet amputated. The controversial singer is not foreign to car collisions, as in January 2024, he was also involved in a car accident, seeing his VW GTI written off. The South African Police Service has opened a case of culpable homicide. Culpable homicide is the unlawful neglect, killing of a human being, also known as involuntary manslaughter. It seems there's a possibility, or police have reason to believe, that Katlego was intoxicated when this occurred. Shebe Sheet, whom is said to be the nicest person on earth, has a reputation for chaos. News of this investigation divided the internet. Why kick a man when he's down? They failed Senzo, now they are after Shebe. He lost his child, for God's sake, said his fans. The boy is reckless. It was a matter of time before something like this happened, said the other side of the internet. It was an accident. What happened to humanity? Losing your daughter is lesson enough, said sympathizing users. Portraying Shebe Sheet as if he was B.I. Phakathi, as if he was this holy